Hi guys, Lee Cole here. Thank you so much for taking a look at this video. It's going to be short and sweet. I'm really excited about it. Basically what I'm going to show you is a new training product that my buddy Mike Paul is going to be releasing tomorrow being the 1st of October. This goes live at 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Wherever you're looking at this video, there's a link that will take you to the sales letter, whether that's on YouTube or actually on my blog. But anyway, this is really, really cool. I've known Mike for a long time. He's the real deal. He actually does this stuff. This just isn't some crap he thought of in order to sell you something else. He's basically showing you one of the ways that he makes money in his own business. And in this case, what we're talking about is really, really cool, because what we're talking about is a really, really inexpensive, very simple way of you creating leads that you're going to sell to life insurance agents. Now, life insurance agents, just like a lot of salespeople, like realtors, like other kinds of insurance agents, they're really scrambling for leads. I mean, they're really, really hurting. The internet changed these businesses dramatically over the past 10 or 15 years. And these guys need your help. I don't care what country you live in. There are a lot of, if you're living in some developed nation, there are a lot of individuals who are making their living selling life insurance. It's a very, very important and big product. And they're scrambling to get leads. They're scrambling to make sales, and you can help them. Now, this is the sales letter, and I'm not going to be stupid and read you the whole thing. I just want to point out a couple of little things. I'm going to read you the title because the headline here, I think, really captures what this is all about. Discover how consultants unlock a lead machine, and this really is a lead machine. It's a set and forget lead machine too. Unlock a lead machine that rescues a desperate niche, life insurance agents, with $1,000 a month on autopilot breakthrough method. That is, they're going to be paying you $1,000 a month to manage this, for their leads, to manage this thing for them. Again, wherever you are, there's going to be a link that clicks to the sales letter. So click that, go over and read it. And again, I'm not going to be stupid and read you the sales letter, but I want you to see this. Mike, this is one example of the leads that Mike got. Mike got 9 leads in 2 days for his client, and those leads cost him less than $5. The new way, the way that he's put together to get leads, this isn't the same old of lead generation or lead gen. This is not the stuff that you've always heard of. This is cutting edge stuff, using some new things that you can do on Facebook. But when he figured this out, it was amazingly inexpensive, and he could get really high quality leads for a very, very inexpensive ad spend. So this is cool. Live Leads Mastery. Again, you can read this and see for yourself what it's all about. But I want to take you inside the members area. I want you to understand what you're going to get. Mike is a great teacher. I want you to understand what you're going to get when you actually get this. Number one, you get this great PDF, and we're going to see the PDF in just 1 second, but you get this great PDF. And I love this, the way he does this, and I want to tell you something about this. In addition to the PDF, Mike breaks down the whole training into a series of videos. And I always tell people, because I go through all of Mike's training myself. I love this stuff. I've used a lot of it myself in my own business. But you want to read the PDF and you want to go through the videos, because there's going to be some in-depth stuff in the videos that happens that's not going to be covered in the same way in the PDF. So I would encourage you, when you get this, when you should get this, but when you get this, download the PDF, scroll through it, look at the videos, and then go back and read the PDF again, and perhaps look at the videos again. Then take Mike up on this. Actually do what he tells you to and start a real business. Or if you're actually already making money with lead generation and things like that, add this to what you're already doing and make even more money. Let's look at the PDF a minute. The PDF is here. As you can see, it's sufficiently long, 65 pages, no fluff. I mean, this is 65 pages of really important stuff. But I was just kind of looking through here and wanted to find something that would really give you an idea, a little more idea, besides just taking my word for it, a little more of an idea of how cool this is, what it's about, so that you could kind of get a little, wrap your head around it, get a little grasp on this thing. So I was looking at this Chapter 5, Facebook leads ads with live transfer. Let me read this to you in this highlighted in yellow. First, I'd like to mention that online advertising never in the process keeping up. Knowing that we've done all the upkeep for you. In other words, Mike's done all the experimentation for you. You don't have to waste your precious time. Throughout this training, I'll touch on all the major rule changes. Now, what makes this work is some changes recently that have happened in Facebook and how we've adapted to get even better results than before. So look at this. I just scrolled down a little bit, and this gives you a basic overview about what you're going to be doing in order to set this business up on Facebook. And, if you're really worried, oh my God, Lee, I've never done this on Facebook. Don't worry. I mean, this is a 65-page PDF and a ton of videos, specifically because Mike's not just saying, here's a good idea. He's actually showing you exactly what to do this. But anyway, this gives you the gist of what's happening. You create a precisely targeted ad campaign in minutes. And again, Mike shows you exactly how to do that. Great training, really, really great training. The right prospects see your client's ads and click to learn more. So you're setting up these ads. The right prospect for your client, your life insurance agent client, they're sitting there on Facebook. They see an ad. They know they need some life insurance or they want to beef up their life insurance. They click on that ad. Now, Facebook, this is what's so beautiful about this. Facebook captures their name and email address. Okay, let me kind of get this over here where you can. Well, I'm trying to get it to where you can see the bullet point without whatever that is. Select an area to comment on, where you can see the bullet point without that blocking it. So I'm down here in number 3 and 4 anyway. So Facebook captures their name and email. Don't have to set up anything. It's all done through Facebook. Facebook pre-qualifies the prospect for your client. They're already pre-qualified. You don't have to do anything for that. And a fat chunk, i.e. a very large percentage of people who click on the ad, fill out the stuff, they're going to go ahead and connect directly with your client via the client's phone. Bam, you've created a lead for them for what you're going to get paid at least $1,000 a month to do. This is the overview for how this works. And again, the details, all the details, how to set it up, including how to get clients, non-salesy ways. In other words, you don't have to be Mr. or Mrs. Super Salesperson. Non-salesy ways of, legitimately going out there and offering your service to life insurance agents, getting clients. Very, very easy. Mike shows you all about that. How to charge, how to get paid. All of those details are covered in this training. I've seen a lot of Mike's trainings. Again, I've gone through all of his trainings. I use a lot of his stuff and what I do, and I think it's just brilliant. I think this may be the easiest, most brilliant thing that he's decided to share with us to date. Again, this goes live on October the 1st, 11 a.m. Eastern Time. If it's after October the 1st, wherever you're looking at this, there's a link. Click on it, go read the sales letter, and pick this up. But you'll be able to learn more wherever you are, YouTube, my blog, whatever. Really cool stuff. If you're at all interested in this, I would encourage you to at least read the sales letter, and I'd really encourage you to consider very carefully actually picking this information up and using it to either start a business or to enhance the business that you're already on. Mike's the real deal. I've known the guy for years, and he is an awesome guy, and this is a fabulous way for you to make real money doing this stuff. Thank you so much for looking at this. My name's Lee Cole, and I will talk with you very soon.